Once upon a time, in a small village in the countryside, there was a young boy named William. William was a hardworking and ambitious young man who dreamed of becoming a successful businessman. He knew that his village lacked opportunities, and if he wanted to achieve his dream, he needed to leave his hometown and go to the big city. So one day, William gathered all his courage and left his village. He arrived in the big city with nothing but the clothes on his back and a determination to succeed. William knew that it wouldn't be easy, but he was ready to work hard and make his dreams come true. William started by taking odd jobs to make ends meet. He worked long hours, sometimes even working 2 jobs at once. He saved every penny he could and lived frugally. Despite the hardships, William never lost sight of his goal. Eventually, William landed a job as an intern in a small startup. The company was just starting, and the founder was impressed with William's hard work and dedication. William quickly rose through the ranks and was eventually promoted to a management position. But William's ambition didn't end there. He knew he had more to give, and he wanted to start his own business. So he began to work on his own startup idea, working long hours after work and on weekends. It wasn't easy, and William faced many challenges along the way. There were times when he thought about giving up, but he knew that giving up would mean giving up on his dream. William's hard work and perseverance paid off, and his startup began to gain traction. It wasn't long before his company became one of the most successful startups in the city. William's business acumen and leadership skills earned him respect and admiration from his peers. Years went by, and William became a successful businessman. He had achieved his dream and had built a thriving business that employed hundreds of people. William never forgot where he came from, and he always remembered the hardships he faced along the way. William's success inspired many young people in his village to follow their dreams and pursue their goals. He became a mentor to many, offering advice and guidance to those who sought it. William never forgot that his success was not just his own but a product of the hard work and support of those around him. In the end, William realized that the most important thing was not the success he had achieved, but the journey he took to get there. The struggles, the hardships, the failures, and the successes had all shaped him into the person he had become. William's story serves as a reminder that success is not achieved overnight but is the result of hard work, dedication, and perseverance. William's journey shows us that if we have a dream and are willing to work hard and stay focused, we too can achieve greatness.